Coco, get a bath, huh? Coco getting a bathy, huh? Come over here. He's not too happy right now. But he's a good kitty. He doesn't even mind getting a bath sometimes. He'd much rather be out of the tub, but he's handling it pretty well. I mean, at least he doesn't tear us apart like some cats do. Oh, poor Coco. Uh-oh. Stay right there, boy. Stay right there. He's like, I really want to get out. Back you go. No, you stay here. You are so wet. You're a wet kitty. You are a wet kitty. Hey, Coco. Kitty, kitty. He's like, oh, please let me out. No. Back you go. Yeah. Coco. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Look at mommy. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, Coco. You're okay. Yeah, you're okay. Poor baby. Got a nice soapy coat. He's like, oh God, I hate this. He says, just rinse me off, will ya? Hey, Coco. Oh, poor kitty. Oh, poor Coco, drowned rat.